Betrayal. Jamaica Teachers Association says it will take action amidst uproar over Jamaica Teaching Council bill. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, we have the Electoral Commission of Jamaica explains how it will operate as political ombudsman, and father needs help to find his 14-year-old daughter. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.